Charles with M-Engineering, and today we're going to go through the M-Tuner install process for all 991.2 model cars. We're going to flash the ECU and PDK and show you how it's done in less than 5 minutes. To get started, you'll need a laptop or tablet running Windows. We're going to plug our M-Tuner dongle into the OBD port. Open up M-Tuner and stick your USB port into the computer. So we're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle on but engine off. Now, on M-Tuner, what we're going to do is we're going to perform a read info. A read info gathers all of the car's information that we need to be able to make you your tuning file. From this read info, we're going to copy all of this information and email this to the calibration team at M-Engineering. The email to send your calibration information over to is calibration@m-engineering.us. In the email subject line, you'll want to put your name, the vehicle, and that it's a calibration request. Go ahead and put our information down, any mods that are on the car, the octane, and that full readout from your read info. So M-Engineering has replied to our calibration request, and we have received the tuning file, the uninstall back to stock file, as well as the quick start flashing guide if you need to reference it. So we're going to go ahead and download these files right off of our email. To flash your car or take it back to stock, you'll need a battery charger on your car's battery. So go ahead and open up the hood. Now it's time to flash the car. So we're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle on but engine off. You're going to head down to the bottom and you're going to select Flash ECU. Choose the file that you just downloaded from our email. If this is your first time flashing the car, M-Tuner will need to license the software. This is done automatically. You'll be prompted here, so just simply hit OK and simply put whatever information you like. You'll be prompted with the map notes for this specific calibration. So go ahead and look over the information and make sure that it's correct. Hit OK. During this time, you'll get some noises and messages on your dash. That is completely normal. Just don't touch anything and let it do its thing. It takes about 5 minutes. All right, at the end of the flash process, you'll be prompted to turn the key off for 10 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. After 10 seconds, you'll key back on, engine off. You're gonna hit OK on M-Tuner, and that's it. The flash process is complete. When you go for your first drive after flashing, you may have a couple of errors or messages on the dash. That will go away after a few drive cycles or a few miles of driving. If your vehicle is equipped with a PDK transmission and you've purchased PDK tuning from M-Engineering, we will also provide a PDK file that you can flash over the OBD using M-Tuner. To do this, open up M-Tuner and key the vehicle on. Select Flash ECU, and then choose the PDK tuning file that we emailed you. Confirm that your information looks correct, and select OK. That flash process took about 1 minute. It's going to prompt you to turn the key off for 10 seconds, so we'll go ahead and do that. Turn the key back to the on position, but engine off, and select OK on M-Tuner. And that's it. The PDK has successfully been flashed.